Hello, little ones! Welcome to Cute Tunes Adventures.